Hello everyone, today I'm gonna draw general grids, reference points and reference planes. So first of all, we're gonna go to draw grids, and then we're gonna draw dimension lines, draw reference points and draw reference planes. Click on draw grids. So in draw grids, in the previous lecture I've shown you how to draw grids, but today I'm gonna show you to draw grid with offset. So how do we do that? If you want to draw the grid with an offset, go to the offset, which I'm going to show you now. I'm going to draw the line from here to here in with the help of plane offset, and here I'm going to put a number in inches or feet. Put a number here, and click here and here. As you see, we have offset, we have reference point from here to here. See, this is exactly what I found there, and in the 3D you can also see this is the plane. This is the point from here to here on all the floors. You can also do this in inclined planes like I'm doing now, and you can see in the 3D I've drawn grids in inclined plane. Now we're gonna go to draw dimension lines to measure the dimensions of any point. You can use this as easily as possible. You can see the dimensions of this line or point or anything you want from here to here. You can see the dimensions. It is in feet. Reference points. If you want to draw a beam, in the future videos I'm going to draw beams and columns, so you need reference points, and I don't have a point in the middle of 15 feet or anywhere between B and C, so I need a point exactly where I want to draw a beam. And also here I'm gonna use offset to be as precise as possible. So in Y I'm gonna use offset in Y direction to be as precise as possible. See, these are the 2 points. Now I'm gonna, for your clarification, I'm gonna draw a beam here. This is not the first floor, this is the 4th floor. I'm gonna also show you in the 3D just after this. And voila, we have a beam. And you can see in the 3D for reference planes. Now we're gonna first go into elevations, because for example, if you have to, in the future videos I'm gonna show you, if you have to draw a staircase, then you need a plane for that. I'm gonna show you here. Go to A and press OK. And I'm sorry, here we have reference. I'm gonna delete this first. I'm pressing Ctrl Z to get rid of these extra reference planes because they came, I don't know, with error, or I think I pressed a button. No, again, let's go press OK. Between base and story and story 1, I'm gonna do the reference planes, and it will be here. I'm gonna show you in 3D the extra planes I've drawn. You can see all the planes that we've drawn from the beginning. Here you can see all the details of what we have done all along. You can see that the grid ID is 1, 2. Make it start, and it's up to you. You can just change the end of the bubble, and here we have reference points, the details, and the reference planes details. Actually, here you can see the exact dimensions of where they are in the Z direction, both of them. So you have the exact directions. Okay, so that's all for today. And sorry about the bad voice because I've made the video first, and after that I've recorded my voice, so everything is a little bit crazy around here, I know. But in the next video I'm gonna record the audio and the video at the same time. So see you all.